Retell the tortoise and the ducks.
That when Jupiter's wedding, that the tortoise will not go because he is too lazy for the wedding of Jupiter. So Jupiter have idea. She get the tortoise house and stick in the tortoise back. So the tortoise want to fly, but how can he fly? Because his house is too heavy to fly. So he met a duck, two duck. So he said to the duck all problems. So the duck said, we can do it. You want to see the world, and then the first hold this stick, bite it, then hold it with using your mouth. So she bite, but first quiet. Then the tortoise allowed it. Then but when they fly up to the sky, and but the ducks, the two ducks and the one tortoise met at work. So the duck said, he is the king of the tortoise because he can fly. So that tortoise said a foolish word. So he dropped up to the down to the